Good day everybody, today we got this STAREX 2011 12 seats. Let's take a look at the car. We just cleaned it so it looks quite clean. There's some scratches and damages here at the side. First door here, you can see there's some rust on this edge. Check the other side. Here is this door. Passenger side. There's a little bit of rust here as well. Check this door. Everything looks just fine. Here I opened the trunk as well. Everything looks good here.
Inside the STAREX right now. Here we go. Let's start the car. Okay, lights are on. Start the engine. Engine is on. Lights are gone. No problem at all here so far. Okay, let's try to accelerate. We listen to the engine sound and see the RPMs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Perfect. Windows. Other side as well. Perfect. Works just fine. AC. Very strong and very cold. In the mood from here. Alright, so AC works just fine. Try the radio.
시대가 지금은 좀 지고 있지만 이 시대에 2000년대, 2010년대까지
So the audio works perfectly, the sound is very clear, radio is just fine. Alright, let me show you the car from inside. Take a look at here. Lots of seats. A bit dusty, but it can be cleaned easily, no problem. Okay, here I open the engine. A little bit smoke coming out. No oil. It looks fine. The engine also looks good and sounds good.
Esta es USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
review here of this STAREX 2011. As you've seen, the car is in a very good condition. Mileage is really good, engine sounds really good. A bit dirty from the inside, a few scratches from outside, but it's in a good condition. The engine is good, that's the most important thing. So if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to reach us out. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.